Lifeway Homes has partnered with Deer Valley Homebuilders to provide one of the nation's highest quality factory-built homes right here in Tulsa. Constructing inside gives us clean, dry environment, the speed of a production line, and the cost savings of buying in bulk. We use steel exterior doors and jambs, polar package insulation, as well as a Croft thermal pane windows. And for your safety, we use formaldehyde-free insulation. We also have 2x6 sidewalls and 2x4 interior wall studs. The quality is extraordinary. The interiors of these beautiful Deer Valley homes include solid wood cabinets, walk-in tile showers, and hand-laid luxury vinyl tile flooring. Every home has half-inch painted sheetrock with bullnose corners and arches. Popular features such as wood-burning fireplaces and porches are available as well. Take a minute to stop by and see our selection of handcrafted Deer Valley homes. It is definitely the quality you've come to expect from Lifeway Homes, Oklahoma's premier factory-built home center.